So let us now return to our original example of these two stories and see how the analysis that we have done, this semantic analysis, can help disambiguate between the two different meanings of kill here. So first, my background knowledge tells me that kill can have several meanings, just like take had several meanings earlier. Kill can have the meaning of causing the death of someone, or kill can have a meaning of to put an end to something. There could be other meanings of kill as well. Second, my background knowledge tells me that when kill has the meaning of to cause the death of someone, then there typically is a victim as well as an agent. In this particular case, the victim is 25 people and the agent is a serious earthquake. My background knowledge also tells me that when the meaning of kill is to put an end to something, then typically there is both an agent that puts an end to something and an object that gets put an end to. In this particular case, 25 proposals is the object and the agent is President of Lower Slobovia. It is this combination of background knowledge that allows me to infer the meaning of kill in the first sentence as to cause the death of someone and the kill in the second sentence as to put an end to something. I hope you can appreciate the power and beauty of this theory. But it is also important to point out that this theory has many limitations. To understand some of the limitations of this theory, let's go back to the sentence, I took the candy from the baby. In this sentence, we had inferred that took signifies stealing the candy from the baby. In effect, we had a large number of rules that told us how to make sense of the word take by making sense of the word candy, making sense of the word from. But as we look at increasingly large number of forms of the sentence, the number of rules that we need starts exploding. So consider small variations of this sentence. I took the candy for the baby. I took the toy from the baby. I took the medicine from the baby. I took the smile from the baby. I took a smile for the baby. They are all valid English language sentences, and each one of them tells a story. As I look at more and more variations of this sentence, I'll need to find more and more rules that can disambiguate between different interpretations of take in those variations of sentence. In practice, it turns out that it's very hard to enumerate all the rules for all the variations of sentences like this one. Nevertheless, this theory appears to cover a good percentage of stories that we routinely deal with.